forget about slipping this one in your back pocket. Like all super zooms, the L830 is on the bulky side. In this case it measures 4 by 3 by 3, 6. Tipping the scales it's slightly over a pound, 18 ounces. Even so, we didn't have many issues carrying it around and it fit in coat pockets fairly well. Our review sample was all black with a nicely textured grip, but red and plum body color options are available. The key feature on the front is clearly the 34x Nikkor lens with decent maximum aperture ratings of f3 to 5.9 at 22.5 mm. It's great for landscapes. And then you can zoom to the top of the Empire State Building or birds in the trees. Whatever your heart desires. The top deck has 2 items we really wanted to see: stereo mics. We recently knocked Canon and Nikon for offering new cameras with full HD video capture, but with mono soundtracks. The L830 not only captures 1080 30p movies but has the requisite 2-channel audio capability. Connect this camera via HDMI to your HD TV and you'll enjoy a much more realistic experience. The videos have some other issues, which we'll get to shortly. Along with the mics, you'll find a potent pop-up flash, a speaker, on-off button, and shutter button surrounded by a zoom toggle switch. For added stability, there's also a wide tele-zoom lever on the left side of the lens. The grip is rather deep and our fingers fit well. But, as we always stress, try this one out in the camera shop to see if it fits comfortably in your hands. Since this is basically an aim and forget camera, there is no mode dial and few manual adjustments. There are no PASM options and you can't adjust aperture, shutter speed. This may